welcome back to your channel. Where's Cabela?
We're going to be making cheesecake bites. Here's everything you will need. We're going to start by preheating our oven to 350. We're going to make our crust with graham crackers.
Cookie face.
We're going to start to crunch them up. You will need to have 1 1/4 cups of graham cracker crumbs. You'll melt 5 tablespoons of butter. Pour it into our graham crackers.
Pour it. We mix.
Line your pan with tin foil so it's easier to get it out. We'll pour it into our pan.
Now we start flattening it.
Should look like this, and now ask an adult to help you put it in the oven. You will bake your crust to 5 to 6 minutes.
Let it cool for a little bit and then do the making again.
Use our paddle attachment, our cheesecake filling. 16 ounces of cream cheese.
And now we start mixing.
While it's mixing, pour 1/2 cup sour cream.
We're gonna pour 1/4 cup of sugar.
For 2 eggs. When your cheesecake filling is smooth, pour it onto your graham crackers. We'll place it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. When it's done, you will set it aside to cool and refrigerate overnight to harden. After they're done, ask an adult to help cut them into bite-sized squares. What they should look like after they're cut. And now for toppings.
Now time to enjoy. That's gonna be so good. Subscribe to our channel and bye.